In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a $100 promo code for IKEA in the Philippines. Now, if you've ever wanted to give your home a little refresh without stretching your budget, this is your chance to make that dream a reality. We'll take you through each step, so whether you're a savvy shopper or new to the world of online deals, you'll find it easy to follow along. To begin, open up your web browser and head to your search engine of choice. Simply type in IKEA promo code to get started. Doing this search will bring up a list of options, and what you'll want to look for specifically is the link to IKEA voucher codes and coupon codes for IKEA Philippines. Clicking this will direct you to a site where these promotional codes are housed. Once you're on the right website, you're essentially at a digital marketplace filled with various promo codes and deals. Scroll through the options and locate a promo code that catches your interest. Take a moment to peruse the descriptions, as different codes may offer different types of savings or may apply to specific product categories. It's like browsing at a store, but with a virtual shopping cart full of discounts. While selecting a promo code, it's crucial to click on it to open up additional details. This step is often overlooked, but vital for a seamless shopping experience. Here you'll find two key pieces of information: the terms and conditions and the expiration date of the promo code. Understanding the terms and conditions will ensure that the code is applicable to your intended purchase, saving you from potential disappointment at checkout. And of course, keeping track of the expiration date is important so you don't miss out on using the promo code before it's too late. After you've found the perfect promo code and ensured it meets your needs, the exciting part begins. Copy that code, and then you're ready to shop. Pick out your favorite IKEA items and add them to your cart. When you're ready to move to the checkout page, you're just one step away from your savings. On the checkout page, you'll see a box or a section asking for a promo code. Paste the code you obtained earlier in that box to apply your discount right before you proceed with payment. Congratulations! With these simple steps, you've unlocked a $100 discount on your next IKEA purchase. Enjoy your new items knowing you landed a fantastic deal. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping.